Hello guys, welcome back to Legend. Today we are back on another brand new drone flight. So yeah, today we're in this place called Mornington, Crescent. So yeah, I'm going to take off. We're going to do 365 in this area. I'm going to go this way as well. Look at that shot. I just want to get this kind of shot first. I swear, as soon as I come here, the wind, it wasn't even windy today. It's not even windy today when I check the XC weather app. But it's so windy right now. Oh, what? It's actually really windy. I don't know how it's this windy. It's like it's a windy day, even though there's supposed to be no wind. It's actually a hot day today. All day there was no wind. And I've come here this evening only for it to just be wind. Let's do this 365. Alright. So it's really windy. I don't know how it's this windy, but we're going to go in headwind. So we don't have problems coming back because headwind's that way. I can feel it. I hope the wind subsides. It's actually really windy. I don't understand how it got this windy. The drone's right there. We're going to just keep going forward. Look at that amazing shot of central London. It's actually amazing. Alright, come out 2,000 feet now. Come out quite far. Let's head back. Look at that. That's Euston Station. So coming back faster now. It was not ideal. Like, I didn't want to fly earlier because earlier it was actually really hot, and only now it started to get windy. There was actually no wind earlier today at all. I might fly. I should have flew when it was actually proper sunny. It is sunny still, but let's have a look at the top of these buildings. The blue one's right, the yellow one's right here, which is where I am. And the blue one's here. I'm gonna get a shot at the top of it. I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna get a shot at this building. See, look, there's solar panels on top. Look at that. And on here, even here, there's solar panels on top. I don't think this wind's gonna stop anytime soon. If I look on the weather app, absolutely no wind at all. Right, let's head back. I want to go the other way. Let's explore the way where the crane is. I want to walk that way. So it's right above us. So look, let's get a shot of this crane. Look at that BT tower as well. Let's get a parallax shot as well. We're going to just keep going sideways. Look at that amazing shot. Let's keep turning back. Look at that shot. Amazing drone shot. Alright, let's stop it here. Okay, let's carry on going for a bit. Yeah, we can carry on going for a bit more. I shouldn't have stopped, I wanted to get a clean shot. Alright, let's bring it back. Let's get shots of the road now. Let's get a shot of that train. Get a static shot. Let's get a shot of traffic. As you can see, there's an ambulance coming. Let's track that. I'm gonna walk out. So I'm gonna carry on getting a static shot. Alright, let's go this way now. So there's a lot going on down there. Mornington Crescent. Look at that. Amazing shot. So in the far end you can see it's Camden Town. If we go too far we're gonna lose range. So I'm just gonna come back. Sun's gone down now. Let's get an orbit shot of this. Where else can we go? I want to go the other way. I want to go toward the BT Tower. Good thing that the wind has subsided. Alright, let's start him back now. Then we'll get a static shot. It's starting to get dark now, my ND filter is still on. There's not much shots to get here, to be honest. Let's get a shot of that train. Let's get a shot of the bus going this way. There's two buses actually. Let's start him back now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to leave the drone up here. Then I'm going to go back to the landing place. You'll probably see me.
Oh, maybe. So, and that's basically where they land.
So yeah, it was a good shot. I want to get a shot of the crane. Oh, there's buildings here as well. Let's get a close shot of it. Let's get a low down shot. Let's go towards the sun. Look at that. Alright, let's come back now. I'm gonna land the drone. I'm gonna go through this building. Look at that amazing shot. Alright, let's land it now. Land it in the middle here. That's a bit windy actually. I have to land it on the floor then. Even the floor's too risky. 'Cause I'm gonna hit my hand again. Because one time I actually hit my hand while catching it in the wind. Anyway, I'm gonna stop recording now. Thank you for watching. I'll speak to you in the next one.